This is Keep On Pushing TV with Devon Harris.
I want to be a hero like my dad had been. So went to the army and I did really well to begin with. I got outstanding reports to the point where I was sent to Top Gun School, which was where you went, the Royal Military Academy Sandhurst, one of the finest leadership training centers in the world. And I thought I was the bee's knees, the dog's bollocks. I was really pleased with myself. Big mistake, real arrogance. And I got my first annual report. And I sort of, looking back now, I knew I wasn't a very good instructor. I was trying to be too strong, too aggressive. I had a huge 6'4" guardsman of a color sergeant who was a bully. And I thought I should be strong on my team. And if they weren't good enough, get them out, fire them, that kind of stuff, drive them hard. And I got an average report. I'm like, what? Like, I'm not average? But of course, compared to the others, I was average. They were much better. They were better inspiring leaders. I was not an inspiring leader at all. Crisis, moment of crisis in my life, not good enough. Would I get fired? From this great job? And so I wrote to the Fleet Air Arm Officers Association. Anybody knew Commander Perks killed 19?
So if I could jump in there, Jonathan. So you are assessed as just being average, and you are really, as the word used, is crisis. But we also know that crisis suggests danger or opportunity, and there are other people, when they're dealing with crisis, kind of throw their hands up in the air and yield, I guess, to the danger, succumb to the danger. But you're getting ready to tell us that you didn't succumb to the danger.
That's a really good insight. No, I could have rolled over and just averaged, bumped along. But I'd always remember my mother said my father didn't do average. He never did average. He always tried to do the best he could do. Be yourself, only better was one of his mottos. And don't die with the music still in you. If you've got something in you, pass it on, pay it forward. My mother was a big philanthropist, and that's been passed on to me, helping other people. And as you learned when we were at Sandhurst, the motto "Serve to Lead" was all about it. This doing good, sending the lift back down. If you're lucky and you've succeeded, send the lift back down to help others.